Oh god, what happened to this poor Scania? Seems like this is a Scania 140. I hope someone is taking care of it. This is so sad to watch. The frame is filled with rust, so there's nothing left of the frame, I guess. Yeah, rust everywhere. The cab is also rust. I wish I could have the money to, you know, buy it, restore it and stuff like that, but this is really sad, especially if you love the old Scanias. Not good. It seems like this has been 2 axles. I don't know what happened to this. I might have to ask someone. The windows is still, that is not broken, but the frame is so destroyed. Poor Scania. Oh dear. I hope someone is going to take care of it. Otherwise, rest in peace, buddy.